welcome to my Leetcode solving session. This problem is called the leaf similar tree. So basically, give you any two trees, then give all the leaves of binary tree from left to right order. The value those from a leaf value sequence. So for example, the leaf value sequence is a list, which elements is 6, 7, 4, 9, 8. So 6, 7, 4, and 8. And the problem is that if someone gives you two trees, then you should return whether their leaf value sequence is the same. If they are the same, then you return true, else you return false. So for example, these two is 6, 7, 4, 9, 8, 6, 7, 4, 9, 8, so they are the same. And so this is true, this is false, this is true, and for this case, this is false, because 1 is 2, 3, 3, 2. Okay, and you can solve this by just using the previous code. Basically, I already said many times, the in order, the tree traversal is the most important, probably the most important algorithms in the tree, so you must remember it. So basically, let me repeat. Basically, if you try to do the in order, then you first need to start from the left, then you go to the right. You go to the roots and you go to the right, and then you initialize a global list called L. So when I initialize L and I call it self helper roots, basically this is in order. So this L will append the value. So if I use the binary tree in order, you will get all the roots, all the value in the tree. Okay, so basically we can copy this into this, exactly the same. But the problem is that now we will just get all leaf. So the traversal is the same, but when we try to append the value into list, we need to remember that we only need to include a leaf. So the leaf must be if the root says the leaf, that is the leaf, that means its left tree is empty and its right tree is empty. Then we append it. So you can view this when I call the L, when I initialize L and I call the function, then I will basically collect all leaf. So for example, I start from L and I initialize L and I call the function. Then after I call it, this L will contain the roots, all leaf of the root 1, all leaf of the root 1. Then I copy this L into L1. Then I re-initialize the L and I do the second roots. Then I will return. I just want to return whether L1 and L2 are L1 and L are the same. If they are the same, that means they're in order. Their leaf are the same. By the way, since this is in order, so it must start from left to right. So since I'll use it in order, so 6, 7, 4, 9, 8 must be the correct sequence. Must be I start from left to right. Okay, so basically this is the simple in order. So you only change one line in order. And basically, I guess you can prove in the complexity of view, this is the most efficient way, because basically tree traversal just linear time in the number of nodes of the tree. So this is the most efficiency way in the complexity point of view. So basically, all this code around the linear time of linear time. Okay, and I will see you guys in other videos, but be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.